C sharp, 3, 4 up 5, then 6 up 7, 1. So your bass will be F, G flat, G, A flat, B flat, B, C, and then D flat or C sharp, however you want to look at it. So that again. So the first 4, I would definitely play like this. So for the 6 up 7 1, you can play tritones with it. So you can play it like this. Now remember, gotta explain this. B flat, the B flat tritone, you play the 3rd and the minor 7, or the flat 7, however you want to look at it. So all of these just move up chromatically. So you got the B flat, B, C, and C sharp, D flat tritone, and you would couple it with the same chord. So you would do, and the bass will be playing. So to get my 13, I just think of the relative minor of whatever my bass note is. So in the key of F, your relative minor would be D minor. So everything is coupled with the relative minor in the right hand. So the relative minor of F sharp will be D sharp minor. The relative minor of G will be E minor. The relative minor of A flat will be F minor. Relative minor of B flat is G minor. Relative minor of B is A flat minor. Relative minor of C, A minor. C sharp minor, it will be A sharp minor or B flat minor. So another way you could play it, because you do so if you have a bass player doing, you can do this. So it kind of frees your left hand up a little more, so you're not playing those intervals. You play just the top part of that interval. So you do chords stay the same in the left hand. The chords always stay the same in the right hand. Sorry. The chords stay the same in the right hand. So you do, if you did that, same thing. Also with this one, when you do same chords when you play the tritones.